our 30 liters electric soy milk maker. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall height, we have 36.5 inches tall, 3 corner clamps that are locked and can be released holding the top lid for the cylinder. Measurements for the top lid cylinder. Measurements for the top lid will include 14.25 inches, and within the bowl will be the removable filtration cylinder. Measurements for the cylinder will include 20 inches in height, top radius of 8 inches, and the bottom radius measuring 6 inches. Interior height for the bowl holding the cylinder will include 20 inches in height. The filtration cylinder will rest on top of the serrated blade located on the very bottom center. That will cut your soybeans to produce soy milk. And coming towards the side will be the anti-overflow system. Coming to the left and right will be grip handles, along with a swivel feature for easy mobility. Coming to the front will be the functions, features, and much more that can be dispensed using this machine. Coming to the very bottom will be the nozzle to dispense your product. And located on the side will be the hard wiring required to operate this soy milk maker. Accessories included will be a sponge, steel wool, along with the measuring cup. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.